And so breaking developments now coming in within the same story, we are learning that Kolkata police has now issued a direction that if civic volunteers are found drunk, they will be demobilized. And if any home guard or civic volunteer is found to be in a drunk situation, then he should be given exemplary punishment according to the instruction which has been given to all of the senior officers. In fact, the home guard and civic volunteers will have to show some extra care while they are dealing with the citizen, is what the issue that has come in from Kolkata police says. We have in fact CNN News 18's editor East, Kamalika Sengupta, joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, very good morning to you. The case has a civic volunteer in the center of it. In fact, day before yesterday also we saw one of the drunk civic volunteer barging in the barricading. After that, now this fresh instruction has come in. What does it exactly entail?
Well, one thing is very clear that one section of civic volunteers, they have embarrassed the Kolkata police, the administration, and they have become a reason of embarrassment because Sanjay Roy, he was a civic volunteer and he had huge access to the hospital. For what reason he had this huge access, that's a bigger question. Civic volunteers are those people who are supposed to assist the police, but they in some areas have become a big point of embarrassment because there are corruption charges against them in some places. There are complaints that they drunk and they behave badly. So this strict instruction has been given. It is also has been mentioned that there are instances where complaints are being received about police personnel being drunk while on duty. This is completely not acceptable. That's what the direction said. An exemplary punishment should be given to anyone found indulging in such behavior. And even when the forces are not on duty, then also they have to conduct themselves in public places in dignified and civilized manner as is expected from the members of a disciplined force. And it has also been stated that everyone should be briefed again and again to ensure the compliance of this instruction. And this is because of that, and then it has been clearly stated if somebody is found doing wrong like this, then that person will be demobilized. That means his job will go. This strict pressure from the top officers had to be given because there are instances which are coming in where the civic volunteers' behavior, their way of their lifestyle, all these things and their relation with the public has really created a very big question which has put the top cops into embarrassment.
Right, Kamalika. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments on that story.